Hello, my lovely students. My name is Jacklen, and I will be your math teacher for grade 3. So, let's start our lesson for today, guys. So, our lesson for today is called rounding to nearest 10. Again, it's called rounding to nearest 10. So, first, we have to know if I'm rounding to nearest 10, any number to nearest 10, what the meaning of to nearest 10? To nearest 10 meaning the closest multiple of 10. And what the meaning of multiple of 10? Adding 10 every time, like what 10, 20, 30, huh? Very good. 40, 50, 60, and 70, and 80, and so on. I'm adding 10. So if he tell me here, round the number 63 to nearest 10, the first thing I have to think about is 63. Is it closest to what multiple of 10? Like we said, what is the multiple of 10? Is it before 63? Think, guys. What is the multiple of 10 before 63? It's what? Huh? 60. Very good. And what is the multiple of 10 after 63? Huh? 70. I'm so proud of you guys. So what I have to do now, first step, I'm writing the number. Second step, I can do it mentally or with using a rule. So let's use the rule together. Huh? First, I'm writing the number, okay? Like I just did with you, okay? Now I will do what? Circle the tens place. Where's the tens place here? Is it 3 or 6? Huh? Very good. It's 6. Very good. What about the 3? 3 is what? The unit place. So first step, I'm circling the tens place. And now I will do what? Look to my neighbor or my next door at the right, right? So my neighbor here is what? It's a 3. So is it weak or strong? Miss Jacqueline, how I know that my neighbor is weak or strong? Let's see together. If it was 4 or less, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, it's weak. But 5 or more, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's strong. So my neighbor is 3. Is it weak or strong, guys? Huh? Very good. I can hear you from here. It's weak, right? So weak. It's so weak. My neighbor, if it was weak, it will not do anything to the tens place. It will keep it as it is without any change. So I will change the 6? No, I will leave it as it is. And after that, guys, my neighbor will become what? Become 0. Every time my neighbor will become 0. So this 3 will become 0. So I can say that 63 is closest to what multiple of 10? 60. Very good. Let's see another example about this. If I want to round 27 to nearest 10. First, I'm writing the number. Do the steps with me, huh? Circle the tens place. Very good. Look to the neighbor. It's a 7. So is it weak or strong? Remember, 4 or less is weak. 5 or more, strong. So 7 is so strong digit. If it was strong, it will keep the tens rest like the other example. No, it will give it 1. Push her and give it 1. So if I want to add 1 to the 2, it will become what, guys? It will become 3. Very good. So this 2 will not be 2 anymore. It will be 3. Very good. And this 7 will become all my neighbors after that become 0 every time. So this girl here just remind us about the rule. Remember? Huh? Circle tens place. Huh? Look to the neighbor next door. 5 or more, I'm gonna add 1 more to the tens place. But if it was 4 or less, I will keep it rest. I will not change it, right? And don't forget, all my neighbors will become 0. So proud of you. So if I want to use the number line this time, and he give me some numbers like this. and he put an arrow on one of these numbers. And he said to me, is it 57, this number here, closest to 60 or closest to 50? I will do what? Count with me, guys. 1, 2, 3 steps. 3 steps to reach what multiple of 10? 60. Let's count how many steps from this number to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is it this number closest to 60 or 50? Like we said here, 3 steps to reach what? To reach 60, and 7 steps to reach 50. So of course it's closest to 60. I'm so proud of you guys. So the coming one, we will answer some questions, but before answering, we will watch a song together. So let's see it together. This song will remind us about the rule I'm using to round. So don't forget the rule and focus with us. Don't forget that math is fun. We are going to sing together and do the steps of this song together. Let's see.
Okay, when I start rounding, I look at the place value that I'm rounding to. I said when I start rounding, I look at the place value that I'm rounding to, and then I look right.
Remember when we said we have to look next door? We have to look to the right, remember? Complete.
Myself where I'm at on the number line. I said then I look right. Ask myself where I'm at on the number line. If it is on 5, tell the digit that we're rounding to. Peace, goodbye.
Remember when we said if it was 5 or more? So I will do what to the tensor place? Tell it goodbye. I will add one. I will add one, and you will be goodbye. Complete.
If it's ever 5, tell the digit that we're rounding to. Peace, goodbye. Now we gotta switch it up. Pump the digit in that place value up. Just one, yeah, we gotta switch it up. Pump the digit in that place value up. Just one, then you gotta change the numbers to the right. To a bunch of zeros. Yeah, that's right. And the numbers before it stay the same. Now you know what to do with the rounding game. Okay, so when I start rounding, I look at the place value that I'm rounding to. I said when I start rounding, I look at the place value that I'm rounding to, and then I look right. Ask myself where I'm at on the number line. I said then I look right. Ask myself where I'm at on the number line. If it's 4 or less, tell the digit that we're rounding to. Chill, just rest. I said if it's 4 or less.
Remember, if it was 4 or less, keep it rest, right?
Tell the digit that we're rounding to. Chill, just rest. Okay, listen up. We still gotta change the numbers to the right. To zeros, I said wait up, listen up. We still gotta change the numbers to the right. To zeros and the numbers to the left. Well, they all stay the same if you know that you're my hero. And the numbers to the left. Yeah, they all stay the same if you know that you're my hero. Okay, when I start rounding.
So now we remind about the rule, right? So let's complete, guys. We still have one thing to answer. 1 minute. So we still have one example. Let's see it together. 1 minute. Very good. Let's see. If I want to round this number 32 to nearest 10, according what we just said together, I'm doing what? Circle 10, which is 3. Look to the neighbor, which is 2. 2 is what? Weak. It will not do anything to the 3. So 3 will be the same. After that, my neighbor become 0. Very good. If I want to round 35 this time to nearest 10, do the steps. Circle 3, look to 5. 5 is what? Strong. So it will do what to the 3? Adding 1. If 3 plus 1, it will become? So proud. 4. I can hear you from here. So it will be 4. And after that, my neighbor become 0. I'm so proud of you guys. So our session for today is end. And see you next time. Bye bye.